Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today, I'm gonna replace the skin on this tablet, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so my daughter gets all kinds of stuff. This is my daughter's tablet, right? And she gets all kinds of stuff on this. You know, just the screen protector. And sometimes she gets so much stuff on it that we can't even, like, when you touch on it, it doesn't even work. So what I did is I took the screen protector off and scanned it and created a DXF file for the laser. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut some screen protectors. That way, you know, whenever she gets back into like messing it up and getting food and all kinds of stuff on it, you can see that. See, I mean, it's so scratched. So whenever she gets that, she has a new screen protector. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Let me bring you in closer. The file has already been, like I said, I took it apart and I scanned the screen protector and created a DXF file, so everything is ready to go. The laser is set up, ready to go. So we're just gonna cut it, and then we'll take this apart, put the new skin in there, and put it back together and give it back to my daughter so she can put more food on it, scratches and whatever it is, you know, drink. I don't know. Sometimes, like I said, it won't even recognize. It gets bad. So let me bring you in closer so you guys can see the cutting process and then taking this apart and putting the new skin. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the screen protector off of the acrylic. This is actually HDPE and it's very flexible and it works perfect. It's just perfect for the screen protector. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut 6 of them, and you know, that way we can have some extra for whenever she messes the other ones up. So here we go. The laser is done cutting, so all we gotta do is just kind of pick one of these up. And there it is. Now we have a new skin, or 6 of them, right? I move the laser back so it's not in my way. Now this right here will be waste, and we'll have 6 screen protectors. And what you see right there, the reason why it's still stuck to it is because you see in the film that protects the acrylic. So since I already got this one out, I'm gonna take that one out. And we're gonna take this off so we can replace the one that's in there. Let me turn this laser off. Okay, so with the laser off, so there's no extra sound or noise, background noise. So here's that skin that we just took out. I mean, this thing is dirty. It's like, I don't know, juice and yogurt and all kinds of stuff and on that thing right there. So this is what I mean. This is the one I took out, and I scanned actually this one right here. Scan this right here to have the little the hole right there for the camera and everything. So I don't even remember which one I took out. So anyways, we're gonna grab this one, take the skin off. Okay, so make sure I take the film off on both sides. Then we're gonna place this one right there, right? You see that? It's perfect fit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my fingerprints that I put in there. Then we just take the tablet. Look at that. Look at how dirty it is. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can. It's just really dirty. We're gonna clean that too. Man, this thing is like super dirty. There you go. Semi-clean. It's not even clean all the way. I'm gonna grab the screen protector. We'll just lay the tablet on top. That thing is so dirty. Oh my God. Yeah, that thing was so dirty. I'm gonna have to open it again because I got some liquid on it, so I'm gonna take this off again so I can clean that. I guess when I sprayed the screen, I actually got some on the screen protector. I'm gonna clean that and clean this one. Make sure it's somewhat clean. And we're gonna put this back in there. There you go. It's not even clean. I mean, it's better than what it used to, right? So I just need to clean it real good. But that's it. We'll put it back in this little carrier thing. And that's it. Turn it on, make sure everything works. There you go, and I'm watching Peppa Pig. I'm gonna stop that because then YouTube is not gonna like me doing that. But yeah, that's it. See, brand new skin. Let me turn it off. So you guys can see it. I mean, I didn't clean it that good. It's still kind of dirty, but it's a brand new screen protector from the other one I used to have. See this? I think it's dirty. It's like super dirty. So that's how easy it is to create a new screen protector. That's if you have a laser, right? So if you don't have a laser, go ahead and check out Count 5 Lasers USA and get you one, you know. And if you are in the market for lasers and you go and check out Count 5 Lasers, use code liberty01. They had a discount code, or they gave me a discount code. I'm not sure if it still works, but try it. You know, if you're buying anything from what do you call it, Count 5 USA or Count 5 Lasers USA, and use that code, maybe you'll get a discount. So again, that's how easy it is to create a new screen protector. All I gotta do is just give it back to my daughter. I can't have her on the video because you know how YouTube doesn't like kids in videos. But yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, if you want to see anything else made with this laser, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so and ding that bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. It's a pleasure like always. I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye now. God bless you. We'll see you later. Here you go, mama. And then I'll just give it to my daughter. Yes. I'm making a video. Okay, guys, it's a pleasure like always. God bless you, and I will see you later. Bye bye now. Adios. Have a blessed one.